The software supports a total of the above 10 formats. Check Preview. To view the file thumbnail, quickly locate the target file. Check Center. Allows you to center the graphic. Check Close and enter the length. The line segment will be closed automatically. Check Filter Lines and set them. Blend to remove redundant lines. Click on the right to set Layer Parameters. Export. Only save the graphic content. Save as. You can save the graphics and all layer parameters. When you reopen the drawing, the parameters will remain the same as they were last time.